Welcome back to the channel, guys. Discovery is back. It's back because it has a couple of issues. One, two that are a bit major ones, but I'm going to address them in a second, and a couple of other ones that I think are linked with the major ones. So welcome back, guys, and enjoy the video. Now, so to keep it sweet and short, using the car for 6 months, owning it for over a year. In the last 6 months, I did probably about 5,000 miles, give or take. No, not even 5,000 miles. Anyway, drives perfectly, have absolutely no issues with that. The only issue I do have is mainly with electrics. So we went away for holidays. We left it outside on a driveway for 2 weeks, and then after 2 weeks I came back and I was not able to open the doors. So I'll show you in a second what I actually had to do just to open the boot, because I thought it must have been a battery. So we drilled a hole in the bottom case, and you see this? See this? That's the latch. So I'm hoping if I be able to move it, it should open the bonnet. No, it wasn't. So anyway, long story short, I ended up opening the car. Second, every so often when I start the car, it cuts it off. Don't know exactly what that means. I can only assume it's related to earthing, so I'm going to investigate earth points on the car. I have the printout somewhere. Thirdly, that only developed in the last week or so. The belt, the fan belt, that needs to be replaced because it's just start making really squeaky noise. So that's I'll be addressing that today. And obviously the three amigos, they are not letting me go. So I got the new ABS sensors and they're going in today as well. If I have enough time, which I doubt because the list of things to do is absolutely endless. I have two things I want to do in the boot. One of them is I want to fit a new light in here because I have absolutely no light in the car. So I was thinking of adding light in here, and I need to finally, after months, sort out the back of it, the back doors. The original one, because the inside of the car was just flooded. It's moldy and I just cannot reuse it again, so I need to come up with some better idea. And forgot to mention it on the beginning because that's actually the main thing. So I had the windshield replaced, thanks to Autoglass. The lads are spot on. I found an issue because I thought when we replaced the window, the leaking would be gone. It stopped in a way, but I still find water inside. So I kind of start going through the A-pillars, and because a lot of people say, oh yeah, A-pillar. I had no idea what you're talking about, and eventually I did found what you're talking about, and I'm assuming that's what it is. I'm assuming that this inside, I'm assuming this is what you're talking about. And I think you are right, because you can't really see it in camera, but if you look at it in your in real life, you can see there is some sort of corrosion over there. So I'm assuming it must be broken. So I'm gonna try to seal that area here and yeah, hope for the best. Alright guys, enough chit chat, let's do some work. Okay, that's done. I know it doesn't look very pretty, but it has a purpose and it should work. I've added a little bit more in here as well, so hopefully that will work. Okay, I'll try to do as a prevention. I'll do the same on the other side. Okay, the two pillars are sealed. Time will show. Next is the belt. That's it. It wasn't easy. Memo to myself: get the key for the fan belt. So ideally, in a perfect world, you would have taken the fan belt out, and then it would be easier. You know, you have access to all the bits and pieces. But because I don't have the key for the fan belt, I had to fit it with the fan belt on. So that was a bit of there's a very little gap over there that you can fit the belt in between, and then you'll be able to. To be honest with you, it was not easy, but it's done. Next, because I had to take the pipe for the intercooler, I actually have the yoke for removing the EGR. So I remove the EGR now once I'm around here. Right, belt fitted, EGR blanked off. Next, I need to try. I'm gonna try to sort out the Three Amigos. So I have the ABS sensors, so for both wheels. So I'll do that now. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna lie, you guys. Changing that sensor is becoming a bit of a problem for me. Let me explain. So, in order to actually replace it, not only you have to take the brakes, take obviously the wheel, and so on and so on and so on, but you actually need to fucking take off the bearing as well and loosen it a little bit. I'm like, what's the logic behind it? Anyway, I have so much time invested into it that I will continue, but I was not expecting it's gonna be that hard. I thought that's gonna be just yeah, easy peasy. I did change ABS sensors before in our cars, and fuck's sake, this is different level. Anyhow, let's continue on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I am absolutely exhausted at this stage. It is quite late, and I have to go to work tomorrow. So I have the car ready for tomorrow. So what's done today? We've changed the EGR valve. We've changed the belt. And I've changed one of the two ABS sensors. It was not easy. I was not expected to change a sensor in the Discovery is such a pain in the ass. Anyway, one of them is done. I'll do next one next week. For the moment, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next week.